Doji, my guess will be around $1.20, somewhere that area. Okay. HAS, obviously, humongous move, not in the direction we were looking for, so probably not going to have anything to do with that at all. Remember yesterday how we were talking about buying an iron condor in Lockheed Martin? We didn't do it, but we had talked about that. We were looking at that. We went through all of the reward to risk there. That looks like it would have been a really, really good setup. So that's something to look at moving forward, which is good. And then I've been watching BIIB all morning, guys. They had some really good news on an Alzheimer drug. The stock has spiked.